Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Spyderco Tenacious here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty inexpensive knife made by Spyderco, made in China. Overall length is going to be 7.75 inch long with a 3.5 inch long blade. G10 scales. It's a liner lock with full stainless steel liners, skeletonized. 8CR13 MOV steel. Nice jimping going on. Sound this guy makes, it's like this. There's no guillotine effect, of course, just running on washers, but overall it's a pretty decent knife. I mean, for the price they're asking, it's okay. You have a lanyard hole going on with a lanyard tube, 3 standoffs right there. So it's decently put together and with a decent fit and finish. But if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.